Good morning, guys. If you come across this channel for the first time, my name is Yopa. My surname is Kaza. I hope you decide to stay and be part of our family. If you are a returning subscriber, love you so much, appreciate you so much. This channel is nothing without you, guys. I'm here to open a new vlog. Let's open another vlog, guys. Today it is a Friday. We are home, guys. We are at Stwadweni. What we're gonna be doing today, we want to visit Elubaleko, where I originally come from. For those who are new to the channel, originally I am from Mount Elif, Elubaleko. So today we want to just go siyobulisa abazali Elubaleko. Yeah, I just wanted to come and open the vlog because that is what we're going to be doing today. Yeah, we are Bulisumilani, guys. And also wanted to thank you guys for the love. Thank you for the support. Hopefully you are subscribed. So yeah, let me just get ready, guys, so we can go Elubaleko. Look, I got more.
Hey, I was still on that.
No. Yo, hayi ndithatha ibreak emashiyeni emakwazi into thoza into nezo i-lashes ndisharp ngazo yo right.
No, bizakufika ngiyaqiniseka sawuphithana naye
into I'm done, guys. Let me quickly show you my full outfit. Yesterday I went to Mthatha. I wanted iJelemane Eli blue. The wardrobe yam is so full of brown. It is so full of brown. Xa figure, guys, I went to market up Mthatha xa ungathi uyaphuma. Xa figure blue ukhona, but he's not doing it for me. I again went for another brown. I hope someday I'm gonna have a Jelemane blue. Yeah, because I want to have variety of colors. I am so brown in my wardrobe. Let me show you guys how I look. Okay, this is how I look, guys. My tech is from the Fix. My brown Jelemane scarf, of course. Polo neck. This is Mr. Price. And this is Zazi. Yeah. We can go to Elubaleko, guys. But let me look for something warm. And Mom, she's a chandulani one. Tell me, Kongolulani one. Samumis. It's a hi vloggy. Hello.
Against the
Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love has seen the way we live. I do the world I've seen. We are nobody who did over. And the Lord that they go far.
Oh, there is no place like home.
It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment
Nide nafikela ubaleko. There is no place like home. I'm home, guys. I'm home. Ukulithemba. Khani bese ulithemba. Apho, molo lithemba. Unjani? Yaphila, uqhabile na? Okay. Hayi luleleyo. Ulele uanga uzi-admitting. So guys, just an update. There are 2 houses up Ekaya, so we decided to concentrate on one because of budget. We're gonna start with this one. Engeka paintwa, SNO white. We're gonna start putting bathrooms this side, and then later on we try for the next house. So yeah, let's just see outside first before we go inside. So yeah, excuse the mess, guys, excuse the mess. Obviously kuyasetyenzwa kuzoba clean next time, kuzoba clean. So this is the situation right now. I'm sure this is gonna be for the piping that is going to the septic tank. This is where they put the septic tank. So let's just go inside and see what is happening there. I wanted to show you guys nicely. This is the house that we're gonna start putting the bathrooms on. Then when God allows, we're gonna move to this one. So let's go inside this white one and see. Okay. This is supposed to be a kitchen. And ta-da! This is where they're gonna put a bath. There's not much done, to be honest. This is gonna be the toilet. And nothing has been done. Nothing whatsoever. Nothing at all. Guys, there is absolutely nothing that has been done here. It's only piping. Yeah. Better luck next time. Better luck next time. Let me show you a ceiling.
Oh, okay. Uyofika sekuhle kakhulu ke ungayibuya ngoDisemba. Yeah. Ufika kuhle kakhulu.
Oh, anobamba ibenye. Bye Lubaleko. Bye. Lumi, uyashiyeka or uyahamba? Hayi ulithemba. Lithemba uyahamba?
Kuba mina bazimbini phango lesihlanu.
Bye Lithemba. Manje ngene nami. Yes kids. Ewe, bye Lithemba. Nini? Okay.
Bye nana.
Bye.
It's so special. All I feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
Uthini up?
Ngicikayo ufundisa utata phakathi suku.
So like Kaya is my what do you call it? Can you help me, Zobi? With that? Is my like you must be fresh. You are waking up. It's early in the morning, so like I expect you to be like there. You see that?
Silungu sikabhuto
phakathi uthi uzobhina sifundiswe ngubani yoqhayiya
Oh wow.
Oh moreni bethuna njani khona kuqala
Siyaphila bhuto phakathi kunjani ku?
Oh ndiyavuka wozile ngohlobo loba la nyani ke thina ngoku siyaphi silungiselela uyaphi emgidini phi
engadala ndawo
Okusalayo uyaye emgidini ngoba ngabe undawo.
ikwele bhasi
Uyayiva? Usebhaziya umgidi.
Oh, it's just around the corner. It's just around the corner.
But
Bazia is here. I can go even now. I check them what they are doing right now.
and come back.
And then come back when give me that show of any.
Hayi ebhazi uzabuya nayo unichume ngeke.
Okay.
Ne?
I hope so.
Fam, good morning. Welcome to yet another day of this vlog. Namhlanje it is the day of Umgidi. It's a Saturday. So let's get ready for ukuya emgidini ndisanxiba. Ewe kaloku ngamalokonya into ezini ungangixelela ukuba ndigeyinile ayisipheki ndizoyityela phi inyama xa ingazipheki ewe kaloku ngamamenemene amalokonya into ezinomona. Guys, this is not Zola's work. I don't think I should be saying by now when I'm wearing umbhato where I got it from. It should be obvious, guys, but it is nokuzola. Now I'm gonna need someone to zip me. Let me ask someone to zip me. Njani makube ndimo yemgidini wako kwenu ungekho wena? Kokasuthu.
Nina waxolisa. Ngapho stress.
Yo, ndixove nini? Oh, awundithembi mna. Ya ndiyeza tawonke. No problem. Guys, ndithwale or not? But umbhaco I'll be enough, man. I'll be, for me, I feel incomplete xa ndingathwalanga. But kaloku ndiya ekhaya, so it's not a must uba ndithwale. Should I? Should I not? Should I? Should I not? I'm so undecided. Ingxaki kunomoya nokungathwali iweave izobana iphephethwa ngumoya we. Ingxaki zam zinintsi. Kaloku kumkiti.
Mama.
Sithi ala umgidi mawufane nomnye. Umgidi mawufane nomnye umgidi. Yabantu. Guys, we are on our way to Bazia. We are just, I think, 20 minutes away. Umgidi uqalile. We are running late as usual. As usual. But masiyeni guys emgidini. Asithini through. Emgidini nani?
Yes. Suppose lungu sishayisise.
Ngenani ngaphakathi sose siyofika. Yenina.
Uthini? Uyiphi imali yami ndayijaphela ngenxa lengoma. Leziyela.
Miseso. Yeah.
Did angiphele counter noloku iphela. Ye counter ndithi ngiphinde.
Ithini into?
Ithi siziyela. So, jonga ngene. Ngihamba sesikhathi.
Sihlap.
Yes.
Kunyalo kuthetha. Maybe ithokwa ngoku. Yayivele Thekwini Kwantama. Eyafika nenculazi. Dokotela, how check it, how check it.
Hayi nansi sisi. Baba ileka njalo kunabeza bona sobaphakela.
Sibaphakele ne?
Uyezixesha loba ngutata indoda ngoku. Ukuba indoda kuthetha uba ube indoda kubazali bakho.
Amen.
Kuthetha uba ube indoda ukhule wenze kahle phakathi kweli khaya. Nomzukulwana wethu nanka ecaleni kwakho. Nikhule madoda niziphathe kakuhle nakuzifundo zenu. Nibe ngabantwana abavunileyo ngeleso sigaba.
Othi
Yasithwebula
ngaphandle kwemvume.
Sikhulele ubaleko kwakhuza sinandaba.
Ayibo asinandaba.
Asinandaba.
Sikhulele ubaleko
kwakhuza sinandaba.
Asinandaba thina.
Asinandaba.
Sikhulele ubaleko
kwakhuza sinandaba.
Sekulisiwe kwathethwa wayalwa umntana. Into esizoyitsho ke ngoku izinto uba siphethe ntoni into esize nazo emangulani. Yesu undiva ngqo lokho ungayigoba eyo ntloko kodwa uyandiva. xa ke kutha khona emva ma uya kulo mama uphinde uthone le ezantsi nazi ke ngoku Mamvulane izinto ke siziphathele umntwana uzawutsho unobhalo omkhulu
Wamakhuze simphathele ibhedi
yole
imiqamelo i-continentals ne-standard
Uzojingubeli ha uzojingubeli ha uzojingubeli ha Ola mabo mfane mabo Siyabonga Mamvulane Wemsamaria wena siyabonga Mamvulane Kubana bethinta wena siyabonga Mamvulane Hayibo kumgidi lento
Iphumbe ngam Ikhopha lomnye Suthu Vulane ngilashe Siyabonga Siyabulela kakhulu eMamvulaneni
Bona ke no
Uhlobo bethu
watsho bayini na aloxesha Ngosi
Uye noyise Kuye noyise amasi ebofu amasi ake nguyeye nyani ngoku kuba ninalo uye kuba ninalo amanabana ephathele tone hayibo ebovu uyeye noyise angisabathandi Gabe
Hazolala, 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 hazolala.
Safika samkeleka kulomina kakhulu. So ndizama ukuthi ndibuyise ingxela kuwe mama omdala. Njengokuba pheka ngomoya ngexesha thina sithatha le nto ngolonwabo. Yabona kanti ingaphezulu nayo
kusibabalwa ke lo
so ukuthi yema lo milane imbeko siyibonile sayinikezwa asipha nathi sayincamile so akakubekho.
Okay, kangumbona unichume pha.
Unichume ukhona.
Ubuye naye.
Ndithi unichume ukhona pha lo milane. Bye.
Fam, good morning and welcome to the last day of our Eastern Cape stay. I'm busy packing, guys, and I can see uba izinto zami zokuthambisa ziyayisindi ibags zami. I'm deciding to leave them behind. I hope I will not regret, but I want to have one for Remakaya and one for back at Pretoria so that when I travel, at least, let me show you. Okay, Colgate, netwood brush, and yes, share, guys. I'll have some a Pretoria. Nazo zinto zokuthambisa. Nazo zinto zami zokuthambisa. I'm leaving them behind. So this means I have to buy all of these things when I get to Pretoria because anazo. These are my last sessions, so nazo, but I am deciding. Let me leave them behind. So I go back. So net towels, just share because honestly, Nyan, 1 minute we're in Pretoria, the next we're in Eastern Cape. So yeah, let's go back to Pretoria, guys. The vibe is not as nice when we're still coming down. The vibe for going back, ayiko, guys. Dololo I vibe yokubuyela Pretoria. But let's go back to Pretoria.
Andiboni mina. Uthathela ntoni ngezonto? Uthathela ntoni? Ithe mangicheke iBhayibhile. Kodwa Mr. Akuthi sithi ipini yakho iblokile. Utsho. Ngokuza lunhle lo. Lo muntu ibekhere. Hey, ndifuna yini vezi ntonto ayikho lo uyithetha 300 rand une 100 rand wena ku account kamakhulu uyayazi into basimanje kumangami le level lo iphume mos
undihlalele imali kakhabethe kandiyiboni imali ndisithi ayikonke makhulu ndithe mangenitshetshi
uyibhilonga kubani le mali zitransferelayo
undihlalele kwi-100
ithi loo account ibhilonga kubani
waphinda nge-5 waphinda nge-6 300 yonke ngenye ngenye uzuthetha ngobhanqa ubhanqa i-300 yonke imkele lodayichaza se
hayi Mr. Chaza
yebethunani andiyiboni
nanku Mr. Chaza
ivele ingabikho imali ndithi kanjani
so uthi no capitec
yeah niyayibona le nto
Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me.
Yopa Nation, hi guys. You know, I was editing our Eastern Cape vlog and I can see I did not have a chance to close it, so this is me coming to properly close it. And thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I hope you are subscribed, guys. We're on a road to 2,000 subscribers. I hope you will do the right thing and subscribe so the family can grow. Love and appreciate you, Kakulu. Okay, guys, bye. See you on the next one.
Yeah, 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 yeah.